to kind of, go back to is right in the beginning, first question, you were talking a lot about how you had done a course 2.5, 3 years ago, right? And it helped you with your job jump at that time. And now you are doing this. So talk me through these two transitions, which you chose Pragmatic Leaders as the platform to help you through, and why?
Again, maybe I'll repeat my words, but I believe education needs to be more hands-on. You can take a lot of courses out there. You learn how to write a user story, a PRD, different prioritization frameworks. But till the time you don't take those prioritization frameworks and apply it, it's as good as it being on a document. And the promise of multiple case studies, that's the reason why I joined Pragmatic the first time, that, hey, you'll have 2 case studies every week. I'm like, that is great. It's hands-on education. I'm learning by doing. And the second time, it was even better. I'm actually building something and not just presentations or case study. And the 2 reasons why I went for it.
So totally fair. And sort of my last question to wrap up this whole point is...
So I'm sorry, and I'm interjecting. It's coming from somebody who's been in the industry. And then you have great mentors you have a lot of experience. When I did my course for the first time, Pragmatic got somebody from the Silicon Valley. And the next person they got was somebody who was a VP of product management in a Tesco. So that's the amount of information you're getting. And you can talk to those people. Not one-way street. Saying this, but I've seen this. Give me a point of view. So it's more of a dialogue and not a monologue in those sessions.
Right.
And you have your time where you can understand a given concept and get back and ask questions. In a recorded course, you don't get that. So that's the, I think, beauty of Pragmatic, that the courses are live and then there are case studies and you're building something. So all of that really comes together.
Hey, I appreciate that thought. It resonates very, very deeply with me. In whatever sessions, whatever that I take with students mostly nowadays, that's something that I try to bring out, right? Don't just sit there. It's a live class. If you want to just view a deck, you can, I'll record it, I'll give it to you. A live class is for engagement. A live class is for asking questions. It's for getting the thinking juices, going. So yes, absolutely resonates very closely with me. Last question. So would you recommend the AI product leadership course to others? And why?
I would recommend the course only if the person is ready to put an effort, because you learn by doing. If you're in here for the certificate, we all know how it works. If somebody's serious about building AI products, getting to that domain, for sure, you learn by doing. But then make sure you're able to put at least 3 to 5 hours a week. So it's a very hands-on course. Else it's not possible. I hope I answered the first part of your question. The second part was why. How else are you planning to learn about AI without doing it? And even if you plan to do it, you're going to get stuck somewhere.
Yeah.
And where you get a cohort of other people who are building things with you. So even if you're lacking a certain week, maybe your partner or your group members will pick up the slack for you and move forward. So that's the beauty. Why not?
Super. Thank you. Thank you so much, Aayush, for giving your time. And it kind of wraps up very, very pertinent and very honest statement you made. Give your time there to learn. Thank you. Thanks, Aayush. Thanks for your time.
Thank you.